Hey y'all. Hi Mangles. Today I'm going to do yet another Bricklink eBay haul. I'm super excited. The first part of my haul is this. I just needed one, so I purchased it on eBay. It cost me like $7 total, and I needed it for Makazi. The real staple of this haul is my package from Build with Aloha on Bricklink. You guys can see my address right there if you want to come and have a meet and greet. Oh, mahalo, thank you for your order. I got a lot of stuff from Build with Aloha. Oh, you know what? Mango, no. What are you doing, crazy? Okay. So, I actually got many things. I got these by accident, but I forgot that I needed them for Taraga Haura. And I got his buzzsaw stuff, so he is pretty much complete. I just need to get his real mask. I got all these Metru bodies. I don't remember what I need this one for, but I know Koalas and Nadiki need their bodies back. I got these Heat Orange head connector blocks just because oh my god, they're kissing, look. Just because I never had any before, so I got those. These Borok feet I got for Levak, but I already have some, so I just wasn't paying attention. I got some of these Hukionika Pearl Dark Gray, I don't know what the color is, feet, for just in case. I got these same Pohatu Fantoka feet just in case. A little red connector block head. I think I had someone in mind for this, but I can't think of who, so I'll figure it out later. I got this little visor just for fun. I don't even know what set this comes in, but it's kind of cool, so I'm sure I can figure out something to do with this. And then I got a bunch of these little Toa legs, just because they're in short supply in my home, and I needed some. Alright, thanks for watching my extremely long and arduous Bricklink haul and eBay haul. I'm one step closer to getting Taraga Haura built and Toa Makazi. Hey baby girl, you come here often. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace, y'all.